Well, hello, welcome to Tablescapes and Decor by Candy, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Well, today I'm bringing you 5 of my favorite fall tablescapes, and the reason I chose these 5 is because all of them were created with DIYs. Now, I am starting with this black and gold tablescape, and really it's more of a serving station. This one is from circa 2022, and again I call it the black and gold glam fall serving station. Everything in this just about is a DIY. They're the centerpiece, the stand in the middle, as well as the tray. Those are DIYs from different videos, and the jars there in the front. I love those jars. I still use them. They are from DIYs. I think maybe I did in 2023, maybe 2022, can't remember. That vase that you see on the right is also a DIY. Of course, I'm using my favorite Victoria stemware in gold. And then the pumpkin in the middle, I believe, may have come from Home Goods or Ross. Not sure, but I've had it, for some time. And there are lights on this particular one, and if you go back and watch the full video, you'll see that I do show what it looks like with the lights off, the candles lit, and all the lights on. So now this next one I call the Muted Tones Tablescape, mainly because everything in it was made with or put together with muted tones. Now the DIYs would be the vase and the decorative jars that you see on either side, as well as there in the front. And that's a set that is one of my favorite DIYs that I've done on my DIY channel, which is DIY Designed by CCW, if you don't follow me over there. And I'll again make sure that there's a link in the description box for the DIYs as well as the original video. Now this is an older video. It may even be from 2021, possibly 2022, but you can kind of see if you're looking at it there that it is an older footage, but I still love it. I love the napkin rings, the layered look of the plates, and again, I love the muted tones. So let me know what you think. Do you like this? After you watch the video, let me know which of the 5 you like and which you would actually do or use in your own home for fall. Now, these are glam fall tablescapes for the most part, but you know what? I love farmhouse. I love other looks too, and someday soon I'll probably bring you some other looks because I love glam. That's my favorite, but again, there are some other styles and different decor out there that I like as well. So again, that's the Muted Fall Tablescape. Now this one is the pink and gold glam tablescape, obviously because it's pink and gold. Now I didn't put a lot out for this particular, I said tablescape, but this is a serving station here. Now I didn't put a lot out because I thought with all the gold and the pink, I didn't really want to do a lot. But there you'll see that tray again that I really love, and they are actually the entire set. That tray that you see there on the corner, as well as the jar in the back and the vases in the front, that is all from one DIY. That was the first time that I ever used those crochet rings or macrame rings, you may call them, in my DIYs, and I've made a few since then, but you can see I used it for the tray as well as for the lids, and that tray has held up very well. I still have it, use it a lot, and I have the jars actually on my dresser right now. So again, one of my favorite DIYs. And this jar in the back, that was a thrifted jar that was missing a lid, and I made a lid for it out of a Dollar Tree bowl. And probably I still have it, still use it. And again, this set was easy to make, and it's been very durable. But again, that's why I chose this particular look for this fall compilation, I guess you would call it. And those Hello Pumpkins, I've had those for a few years. I think I picked them up at Ross, probably 3 years ago, at least. And that's, again, one of my favorite fall looks. Don't forget, let me know in the comments which of the 4 or 5 rather that you like. All right, now we're going to look at the next look here in a second. Okay, so this one is the cream and silver serving station, and this will be Glam look number 4. Now the tray there that you see on the corner is one that I made, again, I believe in 2023, perhaps earlier than that, but it is a tray that I really like. It has really held up well, and to me it's a beautiful glam decorative tray. Also, you may not be able to see them very well, but there are some cylinders in the back that I made, I'm pretty sure 2020 maybe. Those cylinders there in the back, I still have them. They've held up very well. One of my very early DIYs. So again, that's another reason I chose this particular table, or this particular serving station. Now that tray on the right is also a DIY. And again, I'll make sure to link that video in the description box as well. I love the centerpiece. Of course, I didn't make that crystal cake stand in the middle. Maybe I will make one of those. But I really like the pumpkins. I believe the pumpkins came from Home Goods, and I probably bought them maybe 3 years ago. Anyway, this is another one of my favorite fall looks. And in a second, we'll look at look number 5. All right, it's time for look number 5. This is the rose gold and pink glam serving station. Again, I love it because it's chock full of DIYs, and I just really like it. I think it's perfect for fall. So the tray in the middle is another one of those ring trays in a similar style to the crystal tray that you saw, as well as those containers there, the jars. I used a similar method in making the jars there. You can see that I made the lids with the ring, with those, floral rings. And again, still have these, still use these. They've held up very, very well. There I have some thrifted pumpkins that I picked up, I guess 2 or 3 years ago, and I've still been using them. Bring them out every year. This is another angle, and of course here I'm showing you, I'm using the pink and gold Victoria stemware. I think in the previous video I had the silver Victoria stemware, and there's some gold cups that I purchased from Home Goods, and I think the chargers in the back probably came from Home Goods as well. The napkin rings came probably from Home Goods, and all of the linen does come from eFavorMart. And again, if I haven't mentioned it, I am an eFavorMart affiliate, so if you'd like to purchase some of the linen and you use the affiliate link in the description box, that definitely helps the channel. Now those apothecary jars on each side, those came, I believe, from Home Goods, possibly Ross, or it looks like there's at least one And then the vase, of course, in the back is a DIY that I create. And again, all of these come from one DIY, the tray, the vase, as well as the cylinders. So again, that's the 5 fall looks I have for you. I'm working on another fall tablescape. I'll be sharing some of that, some other fall decor videos with you very soon. And then it's going to be time to start thinking about winter and Christmas. And I love decorating for Christmas. And I cannot believe that before you know it, it's going to be here. So that's what I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoy this compilation of these 5 fall looks. Please don't forget to make sure that you leave me a comment and let me know which of the 5 you like, or do you not like any of them? That's okay too. Just let me know. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you'll do that. Please go and visit my other channels. I've left links to them in the description box. Have a wonderful day, everybody, or a wonderful night. And I'll see you, I hope, in the next video. Bye-bye.